Hello, and welcome to the Design Power Pro Tips series where Gates experts share details on how to create power transmission drives using Gates Design Power software. I am Phil Grix, and I am located in our Denver, Colorado office. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to determine a belt length from a known center distance and shift sizes. I have two examples for today's tutorial. We'll do a V-belt drive first, and we have all the data points that we need for this calculation already. So the belt type is a Super HC 5VX cross-section. The driver pulley diameter is 9.0 inches. The driven pulley diameter is 21.2 inches. And the center distance is 30 inches. Now that we have everything we need, we will go into the DesignFlex Pro application from Design Power. We are using DesignFlex Pro because this calculation is using a simple 2-point drive design. If we had a multiple point or more complex drive, we would use Design IQ. After clicking on DesignFlex Pro, the first thing we'll do is click the Clear Belts button at the top of the screen to remove all drive information from the screen. Then we click on Change Belt to begin our belt selection process. We'll need to select the 5VX V-belt. That'll be under Super HC. You'll also notice that the system will only allow one product line cross-section selection. So there, we've got 5VX selected, and then we click Apply Belt Choices at the bottom of the screen. Next, we enter the shift sizes. Our driver pulley is 9.0 inches. And remember, you can either use the drop-down menu to select from a list of standard pulley sizes, or you can type the information yourself. Moving to the right side of the screen, the driven pulley is 21.2 inches. Then we work on entering the 30-inch center distance. One option we could use is to click the design button to the right of the screen and sort through recommended design options, or we can use the unspecified drop-down menu to go through lengths of belts. We'll just click on any one of these. All right, the system may say no solutions found. That's normal when the belt selected is too short for the drive. But once I'm in the unspecified drop-down box for belt lengths, I can use the arrows on my keyboard to scroll down until I start seeing center distances populate in the drive detail selection. So these are the belt lengths that would work with these pulley sizes, and I'll just keep going down until I get near 30 inches. All right, so here we are. At this point, I've determined that a 5VX 1080 would yield a 29.65 inch nominal center distance. The next longer belt is a 5VX 1108, and that yields 31.08 inch center distance. So depending on the situation, either the 5VX 1080 or 5VX 1108 could work for this drive. Let's do one more, this time with a synchronous belt drive. We have gathered our drive details already, and we are looking at a drive with an 8MGT poly chain belt. The driver sprocket is 56 grooves, driven sprocket is 90 grooves, center distance is the same at 30 inches. As always, we start by clicking the Clear Belts button to delete all the selection details from the previous design at once. And then we click the Change Belt button to begin entering our new belt details. We choose 8mm pitch poly chain and click the Apply Belt Choices button at the bottom of the screen. Next, we enter the driver details of 56 grooves using either the drop-down or you can type in the details, and then move over to the driven sprocket and enter 90 grooves. Again, use the unspecified box to select any belt length, and then use the arrows on your keyboard to move through the options until you reach our center distance that's close to 30 inches. All right, I've determined that to get close to 30 inches on center distance, an 8MGT 2000 belt length yields a 27.82 inch nominal center distance. The next longer belt, the 8MGT 2200, yields a 31.77 inch center distance. And that is how you find the belt length from a known center distance and pulley sizes. Thank you for watching this Design Power Pro Tips video. If you enjoyed this video, go to the Gates YouTube channel for more pro tips content. And if you need more support, feel free to contact our power transmission product application team by sending an email to ptpasupport@gates.com or calling us at 303-744-5800.